Welcome back. Today we have a couple M1 carbine stocks, and this one has been severely broken. This is a replacement stock I have for it. It's not perfect, but still much better option than this one. I'm going to try something that I've never done before, and maybe there's good reason for it. But I have a degreaser that I use from Brownell's. It's called Dicro-clean 909. It is for degreasing guns prior to bluing. It is a non-caustic degreaser, and I'm going to try using it to degrease this busted stock first, and we'll see what it does. It's not going to hurt it. It's already broke, but it'll be an interesting experiment. I'll do it so you don't have to. The first thing we're going to do is use our hot water tank. We're going to fill it up with about 5 gallons of water, and then we'll mix our cleaner in. Dicro-clean becomes active at 180 degrees, and that's the best temperature to have it at. So we're going to start heating it up. Our mix ratio is going to be 1 cup to 1 gallon. And so we'll use measuring cup to measure this out. Now that it's up to temp, we'll put the stock in. I don't know why I thought I could hang it. Wood floats. My mistake. As you can see, the water almost instantly starts turning dark and absorbing those oils. I was quite impressed at how quickly that transition happened. Okay, so that's 5 minutes. Swapped over to some heavier gloves. So let's bring this over to the bench. See what happened. Alright, so I'm gonna give this a little bit of a scrub. Wow. I am actually quite surprised of how much oil came out with a 5-minute soak. And it was warm and it evaporated pretty quick, and the stock started drying up pretty immediately. This really bad repair job, the glue just disintegrated, which I'm actually kind of glad. It just really surprises me so far. I think we're going to do one more 5-minute rinse and see what happens. Look at how dark this water is, or our solution. Whew. This is after a 5-minute soak. So let's do another 5. That failed. So this is 13 minutes since I took it out of the solution. And honestly, I'm surprised at the amount of oil that it took out. It also dried very quickly, which is good. This is a repair as well that was done to the stock. So this was fun, and I do think it's a viable way to remove oil from these old greasy stocks. Time will tell, but I think I'd try it again. Let me know your thoughts.